Hello, welcome to this DJI tutorial video. This video will show you how to link your Inspire 2 with its remote controller. All Inspire 2 remote controllers are linked to the aircraft before delivery. But if the aircraft status indicator flashes yellow quickly, and the indicator on the remote controller is solid red, the remote controller needs to be linked with the aircraft. There are two ways to link the Inspire 2's remote controller. Linking the RC with DJI Go 4. Connect the remote controller to the mobile device. Power on the remote controller into the aircraft. Launch DJI Go 4 and press the RC icon at the top of the screen to enter Remote Controller Settings. Then select Linking Remote Controller. The remote controller will beep, and the indicator will flash blue, indicating that it's ready to link. The RC will be primed to link for 60 seconds. Press the pair button on the front of the aircraft. The linking status indicator will flash red quickly. Linking is complete when the pair button and remote controller indicator turn green. Linking without a mobile device. Power on the aircraft and remote controller. Then press the C1, C2, and record button at the same time. When the remote controller starts beeping, press the pair button on the aircraft. Ensure that the firmware of the aircraft and remote controller is upgraded to the latest version. It's recommended to upgrade to the latest firmware. If the remote controller is in slave mode, linking will not work. Please set the remote controller to master mode. If linking fails, reboot the aircraft and try again. If linking fails repeatedly, please contact DJI support. Thank you for watching.